Okay, this is the screen of the student. I become a student. So for example, she has a class English Conversation Basic A1 lesson 1 until 6. If I click this button, okay, here, okay, when I click the material, there will be nothing here, nothing. But when I take this one, another class, for example, and I click the button here, this another class, English Conversation Level 1, Basic Lesson 14 to 21. I click the class detail here, this one here, I click it. And then this one, this one is English Conversation, right? English Conversation 1, the other class, lesson 14 and 21. If I click the material, there show up the material here. The material show up, and I click this one, the PDF. I click it. It shows the material PDF. This one is not normal. So for the English Conversation Level 1 Beginner lesson 14 to 20, is sometimes ago I make it, but for this one English Conversation Level 1, I'm sorry, for no, this one for English Conversation Basic A Level 1 until 6, lesson 1 until 6, there are no material at all. No material at all. Actually, I already made the material. Here, English Conversation, this one is the course. This one is the course screen. English Conversation, this one is course. You see, I already make the course. So here, English Conversation, I already make the course. The course is complete from lesson 1 until lesson 6. I already make the course. This one is from the screen of the admin. But if I click this one is when I click this one the screen of the student. If I click this one, this one is the screen of the admin. So please help me. I'm waiting for your help. Thank you very much.